Crew Chief, and he is also a FIBA International referee. Blazers, Pirates, round 2. Here in the NCAA Season 100 Basketball Tournament. First crack at the basket here for Benilde, and right away they go to Arke. That's gonna be his role. 3-point shooting ang kanyang ipoprovide dito ko.
Pero ang ganda ng atake ni Justin doon. Alam natin, he can create and he can pass.
It's been a different Justin Sanchez yung nakikita natin this season 100. Smarter, more mature with his decisions as well.
Nabawasan yung mga force shots. Alam na niya kung kailan siya titira, kailan siya mag-create for his teammates.
Coach, babantayan natin dito yung pace natin because these are two of the highest scoring teams that we have in the league. Number 2 ang LPU, number 3 itong Benilde. So pace will matter to a certain extent. But I think, correct me if I'm wrong, kung takbuhan ng labanan, baka mas umabante itong Benilde katulad nung kanilang unang pagharap.
Yes, pag tinignan din natin actually si CSB, number 3 rin siya sa defense.
Yeah.
Points allowed, nasa around 69 points lang ang ina-allow nila per game, no? Kaya pag na-control nila yung fast break points ng LPU, malaking bagay yon.
Para matalo mo nga yung Benilde, you have to make things ugly. You have to make them work on both ends of the court. Arke, Ancheta on the catch and shoot, and Ancheta knocks it down.
Sabi lang, Ancheta, hindi lang ako pang final quarter. Bibigyan ko kagad kayo. Ganito ka-importante itong game namin na to.
Picking up where he left off against the Red Lions. Here he is. He got the board. Forward pass. Balik sa kanya dito. Sanchez with a quick spin. Justin Sanchez. Arke will attack. Arke scores on the lay. Forward pass. Errant pass for LPU. Not a good decision.
Yun ang kailangan maging makontrol ngayon ng LPU. They want to be fast, for sure, pero ang turnover, kailangan ingatan nila yan.
That's right. Jonathan Daileg pulling down the rebound. Ito na ang LPU. Their turn to operate at the break. No go. Villegas will step back for the J. Nothing there as well.
Ganda sana yung tinakbo nila ngayon. Very unselfish play. Hindi lang na-convert ni Bravo yung pasa.
We are off to an up and down start. They're pressuring Ancheta. Almost taken away. Liwag trying to get to it. It is a 2-on-2. And Villegas will be fouled by Arke. And that gives us an opportunity to go courtside for the first time. Pakinggan natin si Aliyah Fideliaga.
If you could switch lives with any teammate, who would it be and why? LPU's team captain Greg Cunanan said that he would love to experience life from the perspective of JM Bravo dahil kahit anong pagsubok ang pinagdaanan niya, patuloy pa rin siyang lumalaban. Moreover, he wants the Piratas to emulate Bravo's resilience on the court by hustling for rebounds and playing strong defense as they fight for a spot in the Final Four. Para naman kay Mark Sanko, he would love to switch lives with Jendrik Jarque so he can give his dear friend and roommate an opportunity to play valuable minutes, which speaks to his selflessness as a leader. That's all from courtside. Back to you, Martin and Coach Ralph.
Kaya siguro nagsimula itong si Arke ngayong araw na to kasi siya yung pinili nito ni Mark Sanko. But Arke, of course, has been showing off his wares this season in some of the games at least. Para naman dito sa LPU, naramdaman natin kung gaano kailangan ng LPU itong activity at play ni JM Bravo.
Last game, nung kinausap namin si Coach Gilbert, yung trust na binibigay niya kay Bravo, actually, sama ng first half na nilalaro. Pero pagdating ng fourth quarter, yung leadership, yung inspiration na binibigay niya sa team, yun yung talaga mahalaga para sa kanila.
He has gone through so much this season, and it's just admirable how he is proceeding with the games here. Daileg left it.
Ito ang dapat nating abangan, si Daileg. Last game, he scored 11 points in fourth quarter.
Yeah.
In fourth quarter. Playing good defense also sa mga bigs ng EAC.
That's right, Jonathan Daileg. He was actually the player of the game. 11 points in that one. And it is another turnover for Benilde. So this is one way to beat the Blazers. If you force a lot of turnovers on them, as we take a look at this play, Sanchez, trap, naaluno, there to si Arke. Down the middle, or down the lane he goes rather. Pawi naman dito na Daileg, releasing over the outstretched arm. Fred Villegas, 3 minutes gone here in the first. Villegas got the step on Liwag.
Bilis ni Villegas, no? Kaya lang, ang haba talaga ni Liwag. Meron siyang stop go, pero si Liwag, di mo rin basta-basta maloloko to.
At saka for his size, 6'6", 6'7", may bilis itong si Liwag. Nakaugli para sa LPU. Danileg scores his second basket of the game. Or hold on. Hindi pala. Yeah, second basket for Daileg. Timeout on the floor. Magbabalik po kami.
Kilalang-kilala ngayon si Carlos Yulo sa kanyang double gold sa Paris. Pero alam nyo ba na mayroon nang naunang Carlos na naglaro sa Olympics na tubong NCAA? Siya'y walang iba kundi si Carlos Caloy Loizaga na nagpa-champion sa San Beda Red Lions ng 3 beses noong 1950s. Lumahok si Loizaga ng 2 beses sa Olympics, pati na rin sa Asian Games, FIBA Asia at FIBA World Championships kung saan nagkamit siya ng maraming gintong medalya. Sa taong 2023, naluklok siya sa FIBA Hall of Fame.
11 points in the previous game, 7 points in the opening frame. Jonathan Daileg showing us why he is in the starting unit today, Coach Ralph.
Offense and defense ang binibigay nito na Daileg. The length, every time meron siyang crucial shot blocks, every time down yung crucial part ng game, nandun siya dahil because of his defense.
That's right. Very athletic. He's got that long frame as well. And it took him a while to get his groove here in the NCAA. But eventually, nagkakumpiyansa na yung bata.
Hindi siya nanggigigil. Hinihintay niya lang yung time niya. Kailan siya pupuntos. Wala siya mga 4 shots actually. Kaya maganda yung percentage ng shooting percentage niya.
It is an early lead for the LPU Pirates. Jonathan Ancheta will bring this one across. Sanchez against the Ileg. That's a good matchup at the wing. Ancheta to Oli. Ancheta chooses to fire. Second triple down and good for Joel Ancheta.
Parang titignan mo, gusto na nilang pumunta kay Liwag eh. Kaya lang nagko-collapse, nagkakaroon ng mga open shots. Open na open yun para kay Ancheta.
And this puts less pressure now on Liwag when Ancheta is scoring like this. Paligay Ancheta from the same spot. This time it's off the heel. Cunanan forward pass. Bravo with the catch. JM puts it up and in.
That's their strength. Dapat yun talagang puntahan ng LPU. They need to push the ball. And ito, kailangan naman guluhin nila yung structure ng plays ng CSB.
Talagang ayaw nilang pakawakin ang bola si Liwag. Ito na si Allen. Kick out. Sanko catch and shoot. Sanko drops it in. So the Blazers are hot from the outside. That is their third triple. Yeah.
Malaking bagay na tumatama ngayon ng CSB from the outside. Mamaya magkakaroon na naman ng space si Allen dun sa paint na yan.
Against San Beda, they were also solid from long distance. 9 triples for this Benil team. They go to Allen Liwag. He surveys the floor once more. Liwag, baseline drive. That's going to be a push on Aviles.
Actually, yung pinakamagandang gagawin talaga ng LPU is to collapse. Ngayon, kailangan nila mag-locate naman sa shooters. Talagang habulin nila yung i-challenge nila yung mga outside shots na yan.
Ating galaw kanina ni JM Bravo and then Allen Liwag breaking the zone. And the zone buster provided by Mark Sanko. So we'll see if LPU will have a different scheme here defensively. Ancheta couldn't buy another one. That was a good look though para kay Ancheta.
2 consecutive means pero good shots pa rin.
11-10. And this is how quickly Benil erases leads as Bravo misfires. Aviles with the offensive rebound. Aviles face-up jumper. That's too strong.
Maganda yung matchup ng Aviles, Liwag eh. Nakita naman natin, ang lalapad eh.
Ito na si Liwag. Siya naman daw. His turn to try. Liwag around and out.
If physicality mukhang kayang sabihin ni Aviles yan from the inside the paint.
JM Bravo. Just missed on the lefty lay-in. Here is Oli. Oli for 3. Short. Sanchez. Lumusot dito kay Cunanan. And we have a whistle. And we see here in the first quarter how badly both teams want this game. Coach Ralph.
Hindi ibig sabihin na na-secure na ng yung twice to beat. Walang relax mode na pinapakita si CSB. Talagang gusto nilang kunin tong panalo na to.
Yeah, this is the intensity they want to carry to the Final Four.
Yes.
Matthew Oli will trigger this one in. Palitan ng tao para sa LPU. Nandito na si Montaño, Guadagna, and Ato Barba, our second leading scorer of the league. Kasama si JM Verzosa. Ato Barba is on the move. Ato Barba wasting no time.
Kakapasok lang.
Yeah.
2 points agad.
And
Coming from a good defense.
Yeah.
Coming from a good defense.
that's Mr. Reliable for LPU. Ato Barba. John Morales also in the game now for Benilde. Morales, this guy has range. Not that time though. Ito si Justin Sanchez. Sanchez. Pinabangga si Barba. Turn around. No good on the banker.
Nakita ni Sanchez, meron siyang height advantage. Kaya pumupunta ngayon sila sa mismatch ni Barba. Alam natin na malaking factor si Barba. Kaya siguro kailangan niyang bugbugin para pagdating ng end, maubos ang gasolina ni Barba.
Gusto niyang pagurin, ano?
Yes.
Pagtrabahuhin. Montaño, pump fake. And he gets the whistle.
Very basic play, up and under. Nakakuha ng foul din si Montaño.
And let's check out this play. Ato Barba with the alertness to get the ball, and he finished it all the way. Ato Barba, nakapasok lang, pumuntos kagad. Ian Torres, Tony Inot, Gab Cometa. Trio inside here for Benilde. And Gael Montaño at the free throw line, second leading scorer for LPU against the Blazers in the first round. He scored 14 points. Pero ito yung isa sa mga kailangan consistently gumagana para sa LPU.
Yes, so compared kasi sa lalim ng bench, talagang malalim ang bench ni Benilde. So, yung mga core players ni LPU, they need to be consistent.
And one of them is Gael Montaño, who just nailed 2 free throws. Montaño only had 2 points against CAC. He went 1 out of 6 from the floor. Ian Torres swings it to Inot, who takes his first shot. Guadagna gets the board.
Titingnan natin yung second group. Halos second group na to ng CSB. Pero solid na solid. 5 pa rin to.
Oh, nice move. Mula dito kay Ato Barba, taking it to Tony Inot that time. Tignan natin to. Ato Barba. Left dribble. That was a huge stride, no? Kaya talaga nalagpasan niya si Tony.
Tsaka yung after that, walang celebration, walang nakita mo yung emotions ni Barba.
Yeah, he's keeping it in check. Kasi alam niya, malayo pa to. You know, a lot still has to be done. Especially against Benilde.
Bang klase yung focus na itong bata.
Oh, yeah.
And very humble guy.
Ato Barba, this is a career season for him as well. Second leading scorer, I mentioned. 17 points per game. There were times here in season 100 na siya yung nangunguna dyan.
Merong 25 points up
Meron.
na 4 games straight. Parang yan.
That's right. Ito siya ulit. Nakuha nila yung offensive rebound. Ato Barba, unable to score though. And Liwag collects it. Here comes Ian Torres once more. Up against Renz Villegas. Tony Inot. Torres looking for Liwag. Here's Liwag. He's got the smaller Verzosa on him. He looks to take advantage. Liwag. Liwag turns, fires, no. Follow-up, wala pa rin. Pero may foul na itinawag. Morales will head to the free throw line.
Talagang pumupunta na sila kay Liwag. Ngayon ang ginagawa lang ni LPU, nakaabang. Nakita natin, nakaabang kagad sila dun sa ikot ni Liwag.
Anticipating galaw nito ni Ate Liwag. Morales though, getting them another chance. And he'll take 2 free throws after this break.
Ang unang pumapasok sa isipan pag NCAA ang napag-uusapan ay basketball. Pero kahit sa ibang larangan ng palakasan, lalaban pa rin ang NCAA. Tignan nyo ang tubong mapuwa na si chess grandmaster Eugene Torre na isa na ang Hall of Famer. Ang taga-College of St. Benilde na season 92 men's volleyball champion at MVP na si John Vic de Guzman na nakapagkamit ng silver.
Balik sa ating laban. O ito, Sir Dax Castellano. Nakakap ha? Mabira yan ha. Sir Dax naka-jacket na. Nakakap pa. Mancom representative of Del Salle College of St. Benilde. Hindi mo kami matataguan, Sir Dax. Katapat niya doon, si Dr. Lorenzo of Emilio Aguinaldo College. His team will be in action this afternoon. Nakaantabay siya dito kasi dito malalaman kung meron pang chance ang EAC na makapasok sa Final Four.
Oh, very important sa kanila to. Yun nga sabi ko kanina, malamang ang buong EAC community nagdarasal para sa resulta ng game na to.
They want to force at least a playoff. Against LPU. And if EAC enters the Final Four, that will be historic because that's gonna be the first time in history dito sa NCAA na makakapasok ang EAC sa Final Four sa basketball tournament.
Malaking bagay sa community talaga to ng EAC.
Pero syempre, itong LPU gusto ng manigurado. Gusto nilang makapasok na dito pa lang sa Final Four. They don't want any extra game against EAC. Naklod off the screen. Too strong that time.
Ganda ng play niya. May elevator play. Good shot. Sorry, miss lang nga.
Cometa. That one rattled in and out. Gabby Cometa got it back. Banker is off as well. Two chances for Gab. Missed.
Makikita natin yung lineup ngayon ng CSB. It's smaller, but I think it's faster. Gusto nilang tapatan ng lineup nito, yung bilis ng LPU.
Yeah. Naklod catch and shoot. Guadagna misfires again. And his struggles continue from the outside. Hasn't quite found the groove again. Ian Torres releases. No go. Allen Liwag against the three defenders. Puts it up and in.
Wala na siyang chance doon sa rebound na yun, no? Yung length. Grabe talaga athleticism na itong taong to.
Allen Liwag dealing damage here in the first. He's got 4 points already as Ato Barba knocks down the triple.
In your face 3.
And he likes that. Yung mga face-up 3 na yan. 6 points now in the game for Ato. Torres. Back on top. Morales. High arcing 3. Rattles home for John Morales.
Talaga hindi sila pwede mag-focus sa defense on Liwag lang eh. Even their four can really stretch the floor.
Here's Ato Barba. Another one here. Oh, Barba! Back-to-back hits from the outside. Perfect start for Ato.
Pero wala pa rin emotion si Barba, no?
Focused. Inot misses. Brizosa flies in. Here comes LPU. Barba aatakihin si Inot. He will back up. Barba decides to shoot. Oh, why not? He checked. He's still hot.
Mainit. Mainit ang first quarter ni Ato Barba.
4 out of 4 from the field. Biggest advantage for LPU so far. Torres will wait. They can go for the final shot here. Ian Torres still has it. Oh, Maclog with a steal. Guadagna goes all the way. And the Pirates finish strong in the first, right behind the 12 points off the bench, from Ato Barba. They lead at 26-17 going into the second frame. We'll be back after these few reminders.